The Sony Xperia XZ3 was just announced with some nice changes and flashy colorways. Apple is very interested in mini LED and micro LED technology, and we may see it in the next phones. And the ZTE Axon 9 was finally released, focusing on multimedia and very good specifications. I'm Jaime Rivera, and yes, I apologize for the lighting. You know I was going to say that. I apologize for the noise as well, but we're here at Showstoppers at IFA. It is awesome. This is the Pocketnow Daily, powered by Qualcomm. The official news today begin with some very interesting deals where Spotify has this new feature where if you're a student and you're interested in Spotify, Hulu, and pretty much Showtime Premium as well, you're going to end up paying $4.99, where the combined amount is pretty much more than $30 if you do the math. You can learn more about the deal in the description. It is definitely interesting. Now let's talk about Casio. They had their event today at IFA. I actually was not able to attend because of another event we were going through, which there are videos coming up, but their Pro TREK WSD-F30 is now live. And I'll tell you this much, it's just as rugged as the previous ones. It brings some interesting new features when it comes to mapping and downloading data. The only problem is when they tell me that the product is not going to go live until January 2019. I was like, what? But anyways. Now let's talk about the ZTE Axon 9. I was actually part of that event. Our hands-on video is coming very soon. There are a ton of technologies that are coming here, starting from that dedicated chip that they brought to the display, in addition to the fact that it can detect the ambience and adapt the display depending on the lighting. It's got the Qualcomm Snapdragon 845, great specifications, Dolby Atmos. The audio, I tested it, was really good. Again, stay tuned for our hands-on video. It is definitely something to look forward to. Now let's talk about Apple. We have heard rumors that the company is considering things like micro-LED, and that's been rumors for the past year. Now we hear that the company is already working with a Taiwanese firm in order to be able to make that happen. We're not exactly sure when this technology is going to make it to the next generation iPhones, but it is definitely something to look forward to, considering power efficiencies and just the benefits of OLED being taken to the next level. Stay tuned for that. And finally, the hottest news today were the surprise of the Sony Xperia XZ3. I was part of some of the event when it comes to the headphones and the speakers. Sadly, I wasn't briefed on the Xperia. I am looking forward to it. The current generation specifications, Qualcomm Snapdragon 845, in addition to all the bells and whistles, some interesting color options, but probably the disappointment was the lack of that 48 megapixel camera. In today's question, let us know, what do you think about Sony, all the changes lately? Do you think that the company is delivering on its promise, or do you think that we deserve more innovation? Because in my case, honestly, I wasn't expecting that XZ3 until next year with that camera. But that's just me. Leave us a comment down below. We'd love to know your opinion. We'd like to ask you to stay up until the end of this video for a message from our sponsor that allows this video to be possible. And yes, did you know that most of the mobile technology that has enabled this industry and even this video for the past 30 years is powered by Qualcomm? From modems that outperform competitors in data speeds according to Ookla, to the power of the Snapdragon 845 on the latest flagship smartphones, there is a reason why today's top brands choose Qualcomm. Head on over to the link in the description below to learn more about what makes Qualcomm so cool. Friends, again, if you want to get the news earlier, follow us on Pocketnow.com and subscribe to both our channels, English and Spanish, for more videos like this one. And follow me on Twitter, Jaime_Rivera, on Instagram at Jaime Rivera. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like what you saw. I'm Jaime Rivera. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you tomorrow.